This is InfoHub channel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use hand mixer for production of pens. This is hand mixer. How do you assemble it? All these things, what do they stand for? These things, what do they stand for? Here and okay, and this place, what they stand for, what they are used for, what this place is used for. This place is for, like I will explain how it is being used. So this is hand mixer. Okay, this is hand mixer. So I'll be showing you how to use hand mixer for production of paint, so that you don't need to use your hand to stir. You can see this is a bigger, if you are producing a pen that you get filled this thing up to this level, you know, using your hands will be somehow tedious. So you can get this, okay, you can get this and use it for your production. So, and when you are doing it, it will not even stain your hand. Just a little this thing that you may just splash on your hand, but you then need to suffer yourself using your energy. All you need to do is to carry this thing as it is and be controlling it with your hands while it is being plugged on power outlet. So this is how I want to explain to you how you can use this thing to produce paints. With this, you can produce more than 50 buckets of paints in a day without even knowing that you run a production. So you will not even feel tired, because your duty is just to carry this thing and be controlling it, controlling. So I want to explain to you how you can use this. Stay tuned and grab this. I'd like to tell you, you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell to all, so that you can see subsequent videos. Immediately I release them, you will just see them, they will just pop up. You'll be one of the first people that will see them. Just, and for it to go viral, like this video, and on the comment section, just comment on the comment section, like the video and comment on the comment section. That is how it can get to other people that may need this information. And also, to know how to produce all kind of paints, you can watch other videos in this channel. We have so many things, so many paintings that we have produced and done and explained on this channel, and how to go about paint production. So you can check other videos in this channel and watch them, so that you can learn from them. Also, you want to know how to, we have an ebook and videos on how to, an ebook. We have an ebook on how to produce all kinds of paints, ranging from emulsion, textured paint, satin, matte, oil paints, screening paints, and others. So in case you need the ebook, you can still from the description of this video, you can still contact, make necessary contacts from the contact that will be on the description of this video. And also towards the end of this video, you will also see the contact. Please, the contact is not on the comment section. You can never see it on the comment section. It's on the description of this video, and also towards the end of this video. So if you want to make necessary contacts, or you want to ask questions for anything on pen production, so you can do the get the contact from the description, and also from the toward the end of this video, so that you can get across to me directly. Thank you. Mixer, hand mixer. This one, the brand is called this is another brand. This brand is very good, very nice. So this is how it comes, like this. This is how it is being bought. Now, how do you fix it? You use this place. As you can see here, there is a bolt here, but here there is nothing like a bolt. So this area, but before then you fix it here. There is a bolt. This is the steerer, the one that steers the paint mixtures. Why this one is the rod. So you fix it like this way. You fix it this way. All right, you can see the rod is very short, so it comes in a short rod, so you can use it to turn something like this, you know, a smaller something. Okay, you can use it to turn, but if you want to use to turn something bigger of this size, something of this size, you can see that it will be impossible for you to do that. I will show you what you need to do. So now this is the main machine, the mixer itself. Now if you look at this is, as you press this, the thing will begin to, you plug it in the electricity, then as you press here, it will begin to turn. Now this is the gear. It has 2 gears, 1 and 2. Okay, it has 2 gears. It has 2 gears. Then this is the speed control. It has up to 6 speed control. This is 1. Okay, this is 2. As you are increasing the speed, the rate at which this thing turns becomes very fast. This is 3, 4, 5. This is the last one. So it has a speed control of 6. Then you fix it here. Then okay, before then, this is, maybe you are working and maybe you couldn't finish on time and the day becomes dark and you are working through the night. So what you need to do is to on the light. This one has a light from here. So how do you on the light? From here. This is the switch for the light. If you press it here, it will come on. Press it here, it will off. So, and the light will be coming from here so that you'll be seeing what you are doing. So you fix it through this place. Now this is your steerer hand mixer. It's ready for use. Okay, so you just dip it inside the paint mixture and begin to use. Okay. Now this can contain 10 drums of paint or even more. You can see that if this paint is up to this level, you are producing paint up to this level. You can see that this rod is too short for your production. So what do you need to do? You have to get, because now if you are turning, it means that the rod cannot get to the down. It cannot get, so once it's getting to the down, you can see that the paint will be touching all these things, the machine, and it can spoil the machine. So what you need to do is to get a bigger rod. That is why it come up with this. Okay, now I will fix this and you see the difference. You can see this doesn't come with the machine. I bought this one separate. So you fix it through this place. But before you, alright, so you lose the rod, you remove this rod entirely. You remove this rod. So you detach it from the steerer. You can see this rod is very short to compare with this very one. You can see this one is very long. See the length of the rod. So you can see that the rod is very high. So if you fix this to the machine, it can get to the down. And as you are turning, you raise your this thing and be doing it like this anyway. So you can see the difference. So the rod comes in this short form, but you can get this one, so that if you want to do a bigger production, you now use this. But this one is for a smaller production. To fix it now, I'll have to fix it now you lock it with this. You fix it, you lock it with this bolt. Okay, now it's very well. You fix it like this way, okay, and ensure it is very tight. Then when you are done, you lock it this way. You can use this to lock it. Okay. Even if you are using something bigger than this thing, you can use it to steer your pens. So how do you operate it? You raise it up, press it from here. So as you press it from here, the steerer will begin to steer. To begin to steer, and you will be doing it like this. You'll be going around. Okay. If you want to increase the speed, I've showed you how to increase the speed, the speed control. If you want to put the light on, you put the light on from here, from this place, from here. Okay, it's under here. So this is how you can use mixer. So you don't need to use your hand to produce. I would have shown you how this thing operates, but when the electricity has gone out, so there is no electricity now. There is power breaking, power transmission. So that is why I cannot show you how, but it is being used. Okay, but this is how to assemble this. This is just the best way down. For me to decide to remove it, I will just remove this, lose this nut. Okay, let me use this thing. So you remove this nut, then from there you can lose it, you can detach it. You can detach it from there. So you have detached this thing, and you can keep it one place and wash your your steerer and your rod, and keep it for another use. So this is how to use hand mixer for production of pens, whether smaller or larger quantity. Thank you.